Hey guys, this is RLC321 back again with another Voyager Revel Voyager build update for you. And I wanted to show you a little something and then talk you through what I did to get there. Right. Saucer section is lit. I mean, obviously there is light leaks and everything there will be, and everything's not fully done or anything. Let's switch the light off. Let's switch the other light off. There we go. So let me just move the microphone just a little bit, and there it is. I haven't put I've got the LEDs in. I just haven't put them up. There's the two flash LEDs. That's the green, the red, and the green over here. Haven't put those on just yet. There's the green there. Haven't put those on in yet, and I haven't light blocked them yet. But there she is. Even the underside is. Come on, focus. Focus. You know you want to. Come on. Don't worry about the blackness that's around. There we go. So the underside is lit. The top is lit as well, and I've added these windows at the sides there. They're now lit, and there's two little, don't know if we can see them yet, two little lights just there. They're not fiber optics or anything, they're just drilled a hole and the light is now shining through. And also we've got the front where are they, things there on both sides, if we can see it. There we go. There. And what's that reflective? So I don't know what that reflective is. That's whatever that is. It's quite bright. So I wanted to show you how I went ahead and done that. Let me switch the lights back on. Piss. Oh. Let's move this over here out of the way. Right, okay, sorry about that guys. Right, so here we are. Let's get this taken apart. As I said, it's not fully blocked off or anything like that yet. Let's take this battery, move the battery out of the way, undo that, and then we can start undoing these. Alright, so let's get this bottom section off. Okay, and put that over there. Let me talk about, we'll talk about it because I've done something very similar with the lower hull, the lower section. Right. So it probably looks a mess, and well, let's be honest, it is a mess, but I'm gonna sort out the wires. Basically I've got 6 LEDs in here because I haven't got any ribbon or anything. I've got 1 at the back, I've got 3 there facing one direction, I've got 3 here facing different directions at the front there. Okay, and then obviously in the bottom one as well, I've got LED there, there, and that one's coming up, so I have to re-glue that one. That's fine. But yeah, there. So that's all how I've done it. And basically, I mean, even in the instructions, it called for only using 5 LEDs in here, 3 in the lower section, and I didn't want to do that. I mean, I've now used up all of the 5mm LEDs, 5mm LEDs, and that leaves me none for this section. But that isn't going to deter me, and I'll tell you why that's not going to deter me, because I have bought some 3mm LEDs and some more resistors that I'm going to hook up and put into the lower hull section. We are actually getting very close to it. I put some like aluminium tape down as well to help with a bit more of the light reflection and everything like that. Put some sprue down as well. Hot glued them into place. Hot glued the LEDs into place. I still need to cover the LED, the wires and everything to make sure they're all safe, so there's no bare metals or anything. Then I need to extend the wires a bit as well, so I can get them to coming out that way. But what I'm going to do with that is I'm actually going to push them under where the tape is and hot glue the wires to the tape and bring it all the way over to the back, so I can feed it through the secondary hole, the lower hole, and put it down to the bottom into the thing. Same with this, and same with these ones as well, because they're all going to be running on just the one battery, the 9-volt battery, which I think is actually quite good. What else did I do here? Well, other than that, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much self-explanatory right there. What I need to do is obviously cover up all of these bare metal with some kind of tape or something. I might even just put some hot glue over the top of it. Just run a bead of hot glue over the top, see if that might work actually, because that should insulate it as well. I'll have to look into that. I'll try it on one and see what happens. I've put in the red and green and the 2 strobes or flashing LEDs. I've put that in both the top and the bottom, but the bottom's only got the one flashing at the front, at the bottom there. If you grab this here, so we got the red and the green and the flashing one there. I think there is supposed to be another flashing one here, but I'm not going to bother with it. I think it's actually supposed to be on the lower hole, but I'm not going to bother with that. What else is there? So I think in the next day or two, the next video will be. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how put all the wires through and everything. What I might do is just connect all of these wires together into one red, one black. Put those through. Do the same with the lower hole, the lower section of this. Connect them together, then join the one wire down into the back, and then connect all of those up there. Put them all joining in together and get them all into the one. So we've got one wire, which is going to eventually be wherever the heck I've put it. There it is. This. We'll then connect to that, and then we are pretty much done with this kit. I mean, once I've done all the wiring and I've connected it and let it all come out, obviously I'm going to just temporarily tape it all up, put it together, test every single light, make sure it's all working before I go ahead and then disconnect it all and then sand, make sure I've got blocked off all the lights, glue it all down, make sure the lights are working, glue it all down into sub-assemblies first, sand all the sub-assemblies, make sure there's no light blocking, make sure there's no gaps or anything like that, and then I will bring you guys back for when we actually put this beastie together, and then we can start on the proper painting of this kit. Whew, this has been a long old road, and it's a learning curve for me, because I say I've never done anything like this before. I mean, I'm probably making these legs too long and all sorts of weird and wonderful things. But as I said, I'm learning, so you can learn from my mistakes. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you that it does work. It's coming along nicely, and I shall see you guys in the next video. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.